Hello students, welcome to Birla International School. You are watching your school channel Birla Kids. This is workbook of class first for mathematics, and today we are going to solve worksheet 31st, and the worksheet is based on division. The first question is given, divide the following. So we have to divide this number. This is actually dividend and this number is divisor. So in the table of 8, 64 comes 8 times. So 8 8s are 64. Now subtract numbers, you will get 0. Similarly, you have to solve the remaining questions. In the table of 6, 7 times come 42. So 7 times 42. On subtracting, you will get 0. In the table of 2, 16 comes 8 times. So 2 8s are 16. On subtracting, you will get 0. In table of 7, 56 comes 8 times. So 7 8s are 56. On subtracting, you will get 0. This 0 is remainder. In this question, in the table of 8, 40 comes 5 times. So 8 5s are 40. On subtracting, you will get 0. In the table of 6, 42 comes 7 times. So 6 7s are 42. On subtracting, you will get 0. In the table of 2, 16 comes 8 times. So 2 8s are 16. On subtracting, you will get 0. In the table of 7, 36 doesn't come. But in the table of 7, 7 5s are 35. Okay students, on subtracting you will get 1. In the table of 8, 72 comes 9 times. So 8 9s are 72. On subtracting you will get 0. In the table of 6, 48 comes 8 times. So 6 8s are 48. On subtracting you will get 0. In table of 2, 16 comes 8 times. So 2 8s are 16. On subtracting you will get 0. In table of 7, 70 comes 10 times. So 7 10s are 70. On subtracting you will get 0. Okay students? Continue to see the next question number 2nd. And the question is, divide the following. The very first question is 47 divided by 7. So in the table of 7, 7 6 are 42. On subtracting you will get 5. So here quotient is 6 and remainder is 5. So always this is divided, this one is divisor, this one quotient, and this one will be remainder. Continuing this question, in the table of 8, 8 8s are 64. On subtracting you will get 1. So quotient is 8 and remainder is 1. In this question, 9 8s are 72. On subtracting you will get 1. So quotient is 8 and remainder is 1. In this question, in the table of 2, 2 8s are 16. On subtracting you will get 1. So again quotient is 8 and remainder is 1. In this question, in the table of 6, 6 9s are 54. On subtracting you will get 5. So quotient is 9 and remainder is 5. In this question, 3 9s are 27. On subtracting you will get 1. So quotient is 9 and remainder is 1. In this question, 8 9s are 72. On subtracting you will get 3. So quotient is 9 and remainder is 3. In this question, 7 6 are 42. On subtracting you will get 1. Here quotient is 6 and remainder is 1. And the very last question in this series, in the table of 3, 3 comes 1 time. So 3 1s are 3. On subtracting you will get 0. Now write down this digit here. Now in the table of 3, 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. So 2 times 6. On subtracting you will get 2. So here quotient is 12 and remainder is 2. Similarly in this question, dividing by 3, 7 7s are 49. On subtracting you will get 5. Okay students, so quotient is 7 and remainder is 5. In this question, in the table of 9, 9 7s are 63. On subtracting you will get 1. So quotient is 7 and remainder is 1. In the last question, in the table of 8. 8 8s are 64. On subtracting, you will get 7. So quotient is 8 and remainder is 7. Okay students, so your worksheet 30 was completed. Now you have to write down the solution in your worksheet, and we will see you again with the solution of next worksheet in the next video. Till then, have a good day.